So hello everyone. As we discussed in the last previous classes about the your gates, that is derived gates and logic gates, that is basic gates. So today we discuss the based on the logic gates, that is basic gates. You have to draw the what circuit diagram for the any given expression. Okay, Boolean expression. So we discuss circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. Oh, that is using what? Basic gates. Basic gates. So what are the basic gates you are using? That is AND, OR and NOT. Using these three, you will write the logic circuit diagram for any given expression, Boolean expression. They will give the expression. For that, you have to write what? Circuit diagram. Okay. So if you take an example, if I take a simple example, if it is like this, f of a, b, c, okay, is equal to, as the expression is given, ab plus bc. This is the expression. Okay, they will give the question. This is f of abc is equal to ab plus bc. Draw the circuit diagram. Draw the circuit diagram. So here, when they are given, this is the expression. This is called the Boolean expression, AB plus BC. Okay. So we have to use what? AND or NOT, which is given in the expression. Okay. If I write like this, f of A, comma B, comma C is equal to, this is A and B. In between is what? A into B. So in between, what is the symbol is? Into, and plus, this is a plus, and B into C. B into C. So how you will write this in the logic gate is f of ABC. If I write this one is equal to A. So into means what gate you are using? Into is you are using AND gate. So AND B. Next, plus. Plus means you are using OR gate. So OR B and C. B and C. This is A and B gate. In between OR gate. Then again B and C gate. So this is a simple how to draw the circuit diagram is. So first A and B AND gate. So two inputs A and B inputs are there. Then again another input, another gate, AND gate. So that is B is there and C is there. So both are combined into the OR gate only. In between, what is the symbol? Plus. Plus means OR. So we can combine both these two with the OR gate. So OR gate is like this. This is your OR gate. So these two are what? AND gate. This is AND. This is also AND gate. This is OR gate. Okay. So here what you got? Here you got A into B. Here you got B into C. Then finally both are combined. Then we got F is equal to AB plus BC. So this is how you have to write the logic circuit diagram for any given expression using basic gates. Okay. So now see here we are given a simple example. That is, first you have to write like this. Whatever the given expression, first make it like this and try to write in with using what? Gates. AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate, and draw the circuit diagram. Okay. If I take another example, we will take with example of NOT gate. So it is also easy. If I take another example, so we will use OR. So if I write F is equal to A, B, C, D, okay, F of A, B, C, D is equal to, if I write A bar B, C plus B bar C plus D, B. This is the expression. Draw the circuit diagram. draw the circuit diagram. Okay, so as I told you, you should write it as f of a comma b comma c comma d, because 4 variables are given. So is equal to, so a bar it is. A bar means it is a NOT gate. Okay, so it should have a NOT gate. So how you should write is, so it starts with another gate inside. It is not A, because A bar it is. Okay, and after that it is a multiplication symbol. Okay, so again you should write what? A bar. Okay, and in between what? And then B and C. Okay, understood? So A bar means not A, in between into, and B, and again C. Then plus means OR. Okay, then again B bar means again not gate, that is not B inside. Then and you are having a C. Okay, so finish this one. B bar is not B, and that is multiplication, and C. Plus is again OR. Okay, so next is D and B. D and B. Okay, so we have OR gates and AND gate and also the NOT gate. So how to write the circuit diagram? So take these expressions one by one. So if I take the first expression, that is AND gate, if I write, these are 3 inputs are there, so it is A bar, not A. So as I told you, the NOT gate is written like this. Okay, so what you should write? You should write NOT gate for A bar. This is A. Okay, then B is another input. Then we have C is another input. 3 inputs are available for this AND gate. Next again we have another one. So that are only 2 inputs, B bar. Then you have to write the NOT gate. B is also the NOT gate. C here, not B. So write it as B. Then C. Next we have another AND gate, that is D and B. Here there is no NOT gate, D and B. Okay, so all these 3, this is also AND gate. So this is also AND gate, this is also AND gate. So in between OR gate are there. We can directly combine all these 3 to the single OR gate. Single OR gate. So you will get what? Final expression F. So this is OR gate. See here, important is this one. Here given A bar given. So you have to write what? NOT gate symbol. Then B is as usual and C is as usual. So this is one AND gate. Then we have another AND gate, B bar and C. That is B bar is a NOT gate. Then the C. Here 2 inputs are there. Here 3 inputs. Okay. And as I told you, AND OR gate have 2 inputs or 3 inputs or 4 inputs. And D, B are the 2 inputs. Okay. So D is one input, B is another input. All the 3 we can combine, because in between there is the OR gate. So here it becomes what? A bar B C. Here it becomes B bar C. Here it becomes DB. Okay. So lastly your final expression, that is A bar BC plus B bar C plus DC DB. Okay. This is how you have to write the circuit diagram using Boolean expression with the basic gates, that is AND or NOT. Okay. If it is a reverse, we will take a simple another example. So if I take like this now, so now OR gate you take in between, and AND gate is a common if I take any expression like this. So if I write like this, see here, A plus B into B bar plus C into C bar plus D. So now we have to write what? F of A, B, C, D is equal to A plus B. So here plus is inside now. Okay. So plus means OR gate. So A or B and multiplication is outside and. Next B bar, as I told you, not B, you are right, and plus is there or C. Okay. Next C bar is there, so not C inside of the bracket, plus again or, here you should write B and C, again here you write and, because here it is multiplication. Okay. Then or D, not C or D. So when you write the circuit diagram, now it is A plus B. A plus B means it will come this OR gate. You get the OR gate now. Okay, outside A, B, two are there, two inputs. Then another one B bar plus C, again OR gate. So as I told you, if it is a NOT gate, you should write a NOT gate for that. This B bar plus C. Then another one C bar again. There is another NOT gate. Another NOT gate for what? C. And another one input is D. Okay. So these are all what? OR gates. 3 OR gates with which are the NOT gates, and all the 3 should be combined with AND. All the 3 should combine with AND. This is the final expression, and that is F. So it becomes what? A plus B. It becomes B bar plus C. It becomes C bar plus D. So final expression you got A plus B into B bar plus C into C bar plus D. Okay, let them give anything, or inside or and inside, outside and or outside or, and important is which gate, which variable or which is having the NOT symbol. You should draw the NOT for the particular AND or any circuit diagram for in this example. Okay, so today we discuss about the circuit diagram for the Boolean expression. This is an expression they will give. Okay, so they will tell you the draw the circuit diagram. So then you have to use what? Basic gates and or NOT. Whatever the expression they are given. If there is NOT gate, then you have to draw. If there is no NOT gate, no need to draw. Okay. So this is how you have to draw the circuit diagram for basic gates, using basic gates for any Boolean expression. Thank you.